Now, all mechanics know that if your wheels are out of alignment, your tyres are going to wear out prematurely. And all chiropractors know that the same thing applies if your back's out of alignment. Now, one of the most common things that causes your back to go out of alignment is the result of how you drive. So today I'm going to show you the two most common mistakes people make while driving that can actually throw your back out of alignment. Now this is really important for you because we can replace car tyres, but we can't replace backs. Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Lanthois from Be Healthy Chiropractic. And the first mistake people make when they're driving is they actually sit too much to the left, and you can tell because there's often more of the headrest on the right hand side. So the key thing is you want an even amount of the headrest on each side, and because when we veer off to the left, we create a scoliosis or curvature in our lower back. The next mistake people make is in their positioning of their feet, particularly on the accelerator foot. They often have the heel in the middle and flop the leg outwards like that. You don't want that because that creates tightness and tension in the buttock muscle and creates a twist in your pelvis, which puts a lot of pressure on the discs in your lower back too. The same thing occurs with your left leg, particularly in an automatic car. Often people have it resting out this way, and you can see how it creates an imbalance there. So this creates twisting of the hips, which throws your back way out of alignment and puts a lot of pressure on the discs. So the key with the leg positioning is to have the feet, knees and hips all in the same direction, and that will actually ensure an even balance. So this is really important for people that have to, if you drive more than 30 minutes a day, okay, these tips are really, really important for you. So if you are watching this and you know of people that are driving more than 30 minutes each day, please forward this to them by tagging them below, and create a great day.